Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about why it's important to train rotator cuff muscle and why not doing that can lead to injuries. First thing first, let's understand what rotator cuff actually is. Rotator cuff is made up of 4 muscles that helps your upper arm stay connected to your shoulder joint. These muscles helps us move our arms around freely. Every shoulder movement you do, it's our rotator cuff muscles that helping us do that. There are 4 major rotator cuff muscles. Supraspinatus that helps in adduction of your arms. This you are capable of doing this because of your supraspinatus muscles. Now, second is infraspinatus muscle. This muscle helps with external rotation of your arms. So if you're doing this, it's the infraspinatus muscle that's helping you do that. Next is teres minor. This also helps with the external rotation of your shoulders. Now last one is subscapularis. This helps with the internal rotation of your arms. Now with the constant wear and tear, whether you are doing heavy lifting in the gym or you are a sports player that rely heavily on using your shoulder joints, or you have a job that requires you to lift heavy stuff all the time, all these constant wear and tear can cause rotator cuff injuries, and that's why it's very important to strengthen these muscles. And there are few exercises you can do. It wouldn't take much time to do it, but it would save you a lot of time and pain in the future. So let's see what these exercises are. Now you can do these exercises without weights, but I'm using a 1 kg plate. If you don't have a plate, you can use 1 kg dumbbell, and if you don't even have that, you can just use a water bottle. Keep your elbows at 90-degree angle and rotate it outwards slowly. Keep the movement slow. Make sure you squeeze your rotator cuff muscles when you do this movement. Ignore my face. Thank you. Now for this exercise also, you have to keep your elbows at 90-degree angle and stuck by your side. Move them inwards. Squeeze your muscles. Feel the movement. Feel it in your muscles as you are doing it. Try to establish mind to muscle connection. Now third exercise is a towel stretch. All you need is a towel. Keep your arms straight and go as far as you can without hurting yourself. Now next one is T raises. Lie down on your front. Keep your arms 180-degree angle towards the sides and raise them up. When you raise them up, pause for a second and then bring them down towards the floor. Make sure your neck is on the floor. Next one, eye raises. Again, keep your arms up and parallel to each other. Lift them up, pause for a second and then bring them back down. Now arm reach. Next one, arm reach. Keep one of your arms straight and reach towards the ceiling. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and return back to the floor. Now when you're doing this exercise, make sure you're not using your elbows and you're not bending them. You have to keep your arms straight and use your rotator cuff muscles to lift them up. Next one, boat rows. Keep your arms straight and rotate them from side to side as if you are rowing a boat. Now make sure your arms are straight and your elbows are not bent at all. You have to row them from side to side, one side of your leg and then the other side of your leg. You have to keep going. Now, last exercise is the pendulums. Keep your back straight on the chair, raise your shoulders up to your front, and then raise them backwards like a pendulum. Make sure you add these exercises before you do your shoulder workout. Just 5 minutes of doing this can save you a lot of pain and trouble in the future. Okay guys, these were some of the exercises that I do before my shoulder routine, and if you like this video, please make sure you go subscribe, and if you have already done that, I'm really grateful for you. Go like this video, comment, share, and comment what else would you like to see on this channel, and I'll make sure to make videos on those topics as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the